Hi, hope all are doing well. Today we will be discussing one important topic which is called the elasticity in economics. It's basically a mathematical concept. So let's start what is called elasticity. Say y equal to fx is a function where y is a dependent variable. Say y is dependent and x is independent because y is depending upon the value of x. Say x equal to 1, then y equal to 1. So y x equal to 2, तो y equal to 2. ठीक है, तो x is independent variable and y's value is dependent upon x. Okay, so let's see what is the elasticity shows. What is the basic definition of elasticity? If x changes, see x is changing, y is also changing. Okay, so if x changes by 1%, the resulting percentage change in y is called the elasticity of y with respect to x. Say x is changing 1%. Say y equal to 2x plus 10. This is a function. Okay. So if x equal to 1, then y equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Here, if x changes, say x changes by 1%, the percentage change in y with respect to x will be called the elasticity of y with respect to x is called the elasticity of y with respect to x. The same thing will happen if the x changes. If x changes by 1% and if as a result y changes by 2%, this means that the elasticity of y with respect to x is 2. Thus the ratio of percentage change. The ratio of percentage change in x represents the elasticity of y with respect to x. Ratio of percentage change in y with respect to percentage change in x represents the elasticity of y with respect to x. So the elasticity equal to dy by y by dx by x. Dy by y by dx by x. That means, what does it mean? Dy by y is the proportionate change in y and proportionate change in y. Dy by y equal to proportionate change in y. Proportionate change in y, dy by y. If it is multiplied by 100, it becomes the percentage change in y. So if dy by y is multiplied by 100, this is the percentage change in y. dy by y is the proportionate change in y. Becomes the percentage change in y if it is multiplied by 100. Similarly, dx by x equal to proportionate change in x. And if it is multiplied by 100, that is the percentage change in x. Now, the expression of elasticity equal to, if we see this, so we can write E equal to, E represents elasticity, dy by dx divided by y by x. Just we are just doing this. You can see properly. I hope you can see properly. E equal to, we wrote dy by y by dx by x implies, we are just putting dy by dx divided by y by x. Just this implies this. Simple divisional method. So, dy by y, that is proportionate change in y, is called proportionate. So, dy by y implies proportionate change in y. ठीक है, this implies marginal change in y. So marginal change in y by average change in y. By average change in y equal to m by a. If we imply this marginal as m and average by a. Thus the elasticity of y with respect to x is equal to the ratio of marginal y to average y. This one. Thus the elasticity of y, this formula of elasticity can also be derived with the use of log, that we will be doing in our next session. So you can write it down if you want by pausing it. And if you are having any sort of doubt, please let